The Sustainable Blue Economy Partnership is a joint endeavor by 32 countries that, together with the European Commission, support the transition towards a sustainable blue economy. We are a network of research funding organizations at first, regional authorities and research performing organizations, and this variety of partners ensure the fact that our activities are co-designed in a meaningful way. Today we are in Paris because the General Assembly, which is the decision-making body of this big network, has to take decisions on important activities and agree how to move forward.
So far, the partnership has implemented already 2 calls. The first one was launched in 2023, and it had a budget of 50 million euros. We managed to fund 19 excellent research projects. The following year, in 2024, the second call was launched, and with that one we managed to fund, with a budget of 40 million euros, we managed to fund 24 projects.
We have launched these 2 calls focused on 4 intervention areas. First one is the digitalization of the oceans, what we call the digital twin of the oceans. Second one was the blue economy sectors, focused on the marine multi-use infrastructures. Third one was the planning and managing of sea uses, and fourth one was about blue bioresources.
Every project funded through the calls of SBEP will be automatically endorsed as an Ocean Decade action. And that connects the projects to a broader network of international projects. There's the Ocean Decade, which brings the vision and the whole scientific community. And then there's BEP, which brings resources, innovation, and capital. Keep doing what you're doing, because it's coming out a great job. It's really important to recognize that the partnership on itself are really driving action on the ground with projects and innovations on the ground. One of the most important parts is to keep being and staying evidence-based and scientifically sound, being inclusive, and actually maybe enlarging the inclusivity in order to have all underrepresented groups on the table, having them as co-pilots and not just as passengers.
Black Sea is one of the basins, and we are part of a bigger network of the SBEP, the Blue Economy Partnership network of sea nodes. Altogether, we are about 20 persons operating, and yes, what we did is a real economy of scale. What we expect early in February next year, 2026, we're expecting to have a Bucharest symposium for the whole partnership.